Hey, what if I told you that you could save $1,000 easily this year without giving up your morning coffee, your favorite snacks, or binge watching your go-to Netflix shows? Sounds too good to be true, right? But I'm here to show you how I did exactly that and how you can too. Saving big without feeling like you're missing out or making crazy sacrifices. If saving money feels like a boring chore or a total lifestyle meltdown, you're not alone. But here's the secret. It doesn't have to be that way. Saving can be simple, painless, and yes, even a little fun. So, here's what I do. First, I looked at where my money was quietly leaking out. The sneaky little things that don't feel like much but add up fast. For example, do you have any subscriptions you forgot you signed up for? Like that app you downloaded once, used twice, and then totally forgot? I found two streaming services I barely used but still paid for every month. Canceling those saved me almost $20 a month. That's $240 a year, just by cutting the stuff I didn't actually use. Turns out, my brain is great at signing me up for things, but terrible at remembering to cancel them. Maybe yours too? No judgment. Next, I automated my savings. Sounds fancy, but it's just moving a tiny bit of money into a savings account automatically every payday. I set it to just $20 a week. I barely noticed it was gone because I never missed the $20. And guess what? After a year, that's over $1,000. No sweat, no pain. It's like paying yourself first instead of your barista or your Netflix binge. And trust me, your future self will send you a thank you email. If only we had those, right? Another thing I did, I started using cashback apps and rewards on stuff I was already buying. Whether it's groceries, gas, or that random thing you need on Amazon, there are apps and cards that give you money back. Just by clicking a few buttons or scanning a receipt, I earned about $150 extra in a year. I'm not about clipping coupons or hunting crazy sales. That's a whole other skill I don't have time for. Instead, I keep it simple by switching to generic or store brands for a lot of stuff. Most of the time, they taste just as good and work just as well, but cost way less. For example, I swapped my usual $4 coffee for a $2 one from the corner shop. Same caffeine hit, more money saved. Little changes like these add up without making me feel like I'm saving money or missing out. Another super easy trick I use is every time I buy something, I round up to the nearest dollar and save the difference. Those small bits add up faster than you'd think. And before you know it, you've got a nice little stash without even trying. It's an easy, almost effortless way to save. Also, I called my internet and phone companies to ask if they had any discounts or cheaper plans. When they didn't, I shopped around and switched to better deals. It took just a little effort, but saved me a good chunk of money every month. And that's it. No extreme budgeting, no giving up the stuff I love. Just a few simple habits that quietly added up to over $1,000 saved, without changing my lifestyle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment. What's one easy thing you do to save money? I'd love to hear it. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be miserable. It can be simple, fun, and totally doable. Thanks for watching. See you next time.